The automotive aftermarket is changing. New technologies in collision, glass, mechanical repair, safety, and training. It evolves fast and waits for no one. Our mission at Fixed Network World is to bring together the best independent automotive repairers to build the world's first complete aftermarket services solution.
Fix auto, the first word that should come to mind after an accident.
We operate in a complex space where time means money. We've found that investing in innovation is what really gives us a long-term edge. It creates the transparency that puts our network and our work provision partners on the same page. By innovating on the IT and digital side, we build proprietary tools that help us manage performance and achieve new levels of consistency across our brands. Another way we're investing in our network is through our training centers. By creating a space for training, learning, and improvement, we developed a repair standard that exceeds the growing requirements in our space. There's a reason why we focus on franchisees. No corporate model has the drive of an independent business owner who wants to grow into the future. Harnessing the entrepreneur spirit allows us to stay focused and agile. Our network is motivated to win, and we keep working to serve them better so they can do better. By joining forces, we better understand challenges, grow our collective knowledge, and can better prepare for the future together. That's the power of one. That's the power of Fixed Network.